Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert Atome credit into cash. So let's start. The method one is Atome Cash Loan invite only. Check your invitation for the Atome Cash service, which allows you to apply for a quick cash loan with a fast disbursement. This is the most direct way to get cash from your Atome accounts, but availability is limited to select user base. Method 2, a third-party apps. Link your Atome card to GrabPay. You can add your Atome card details, account number, CVC, export date to your Grab wallet. Cash into your GrabPay. Use the GrabPay app to cash into your Atome credit limit. Number cash out. The cash when your money is in GrabPay, you can cash out to your Gcash account. Important consideration, the GrabPay workaround and is an official Atome feature using third-party apps. This purpose may have its own fees or restriction, so be sure to check terms and conditions on both GrabPay and Gcash for any limitation. While the methods can convert your credit limit to cash, you are still responsible for paying the amount back for Atome according to the payment terms. So you have to consider this is important because aren't official ways, guys. So please consider them, and following this probably you have successful with this, but please consider these things, these points that I mentioned to you to get the credit into cash. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.